Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Look at that. Francine and Frank is not here anymore. Nagpunta sila sa doctor, guys, kasi may appointment ngayon si Frank at sinama niya si Francine. And I wake up to this. For the Valentine's Day. Ang sweet naman nila, uy. I wake up to this, and this is from I don't know, from Vanessa, I think. Yeah, it's from Vanessa. It's from Vanessa. This is from Frank. Such a lovely Valentine's Day. Oh God, thank you, dear. Usapan namin sama ako para sa appointment nila, pero hindi niya ako ginising. Hinayaan niya lang ata ako matulog. So, ayun guys. Wala pa naman akong ginawa para sa kanya. Sa anniversary namin wala. Sweet talaga ni Frank, eh. Lagay natin doon sa, Ay, nako. Iwan ko kailan niya ito binig. Siguro kahapon. Ayun. Lagay natin dyan, guys. Ngayon, wala na yung gulay-gulay. Sagbot na lang. Dito. Yun. Sagbot na lang. Yun. So, happy Valentine's Day, guys. And good morning. Frank, over here. Happy Valentine's Day, dear.
Happy Valentine's Day.
To all. Hi, guys. It's Valentine's Day today. Happy Valentine's Day to all. So, here's Francine. Look, guys. I have a present. Wala akong gift para sa banana po. So, I have something for him. Wait, saan ko pa yung lagay, eh? Wait, I show you my gift for my husband. This is the gift of love and dedication, Char. You hear that, baby? Here, read what it says. Daddy's Valentine. It's Papa's date. I go to Papa. I give you to Papa. Na Happy Valentine's Day. Sinutan ko si Francine ng from Amazon. ng Valentine's Daddy's Valentine's. Na hi guys. Hi guys. Do I look cute? Na hi guys. Do I look cute? Come on, show. Hi guys. Do I look cute? Hi guys. We go to Papa. Wala akong gift sa kanila. First we go to Adela. Let's check if what she's doing. There she is.
You want this, paprika?
Eating something like Pringles. Nag-mobile yun, guys. And here's my loving husband. Thank you for the flowers earlier. I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you.
Like, as if I haven't got babies enough.
I have a gift for you. How she looks like?
She looks brilliant.
Yeah, Daddy's Valentine. That's my gift for you.
That is cool. Thank you very much, baby. So I can put her here? I can put her here beside my monitor.
Yeah.
Like this.
Look at that.
Come on, get around here.
She keeps looking on her dress.
Yeah.
Be careful with the mouse.
I'm gonna put her here. So, like that.
Yeah. Sure. Francine?
Oh, don't touch the main board.
Yeah.
And are you sitting on the mouse? Why is there things happening here? Mayday, mayday. We have a situation. No, she cannot sit here.
Yeah.
I have to take her here on my knee.
We have actually, Frank is also sick. Not really sick. Cough. Same as mine. We
are
are all, yeah.
We are all
Except
sick,
to Ella.
except for the kids now.
Yeah.
The kids are fine again,
Yeah.
and we got the mutation of that virus. So
Francine is fine, and only me and Papa. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. She's so happy with her red.
She's so cute.
Red dress.
You're gonna give us that smile again?
Come on. She gets
No, she's excited here now.
Yeah, seeing everything to touch.
Why is she coming here again?
So we greet everybody for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Sa bahay lang kami. We are going to date at home. Dito lang kami, guys. Can I leave you a bit? I come back, okay? So, yung anak ni Frank na si Vanessa at si Ella, binigyan nila ako ng card also. This I show you. Look at that. That's from my stepdaughter. Wait. This is from her. It says there, I love you. Valentines tag. It says in German. Look, kurus. And this is from Ella. Here. This is from Ella. Happy Valentine's Day from Ella. There. Some drawings also. And I've shown you earlier that I get a flower from Frank. Binigyan niya ako ng flowers. Ayun na naman. This time, guys, wala nang gulay. It's all sagbot na lang. Sagbot na lang. Siya nga pala, hindi ako nag-curl ng buhok. Sa ano lang yan, pagbugkos na ako ba? Pag napilo-pilo. Then, we go back here. Can I take should I take Francine now with me? Hello, cutie.
You know what? She's really like, how do you call that?
Scratching? What?
No.
Pulling?
Doing that here.
I don't know, pinch?
Pinch, yeah.
Pinching you?
She's really pinching now.
Pinch.
Yeah. She's really pinching now. Look at that. And
yeah.
It can hurt. Ouch! It pulls my hair on my arm.
There's a light there like an ER here. That has history.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Never mind. So come on here. I take Francine. I take a photo of her. Hello guys. So that's all for today, guys. Walang ganap sa Valentine's Day. May ganap. May pasurpresa si Mr. So that's all for tonight, guys. Magluluto na ako ng dinner namin. Magpa-fry lang ako ng meat. At saka gawa ako ng dumplings. Ano mo lang to sa, papakuluan mo lang to sa ng tubig. At saka gagawa ako ng sauce. Andito si Francine. Si Ella, nandun pa din sa bedroom. Hello! Hello! Sis, ginoo ko. Hello! Hello! Say hi. Kakagising lang yan. Kakagising lang niya. Here. Kakagising lang yan ni Francine. So, I will make now. Kulang kainin namin tonight. So, guys, natapos ko nang lutuin yung guys. Instead na... Wala yung singsing ko. Instead na preprituhin ko sana yung meat. Minix ko siya para sa sauce, para sa ginawa kong dumplings, patawag dyan. Ewan ko. Ayun na siya, guys. Since may pa-cooking vlog tayo always before mag-end ang video. So, ayun na yung meat. Yun. Luto na yan. It's finished. Ito na siya yan. At dito ang yung dumplings. Binoboil ko lang. Binobroil or pinapakuluan. It's yummy! ang meat, minix ko mismo sa sauce na ginawa ko. Experiment na naman. At saka yun, hindi ata yung dumplings. At saka nagluto pa din ako ng rice kasi si Ella hindi kumakain ng ganyan, guys. Kaya, rice pa din si Ella. Itong ginawa kong sauce, iso-sauce namin yan sa parang dumplings ata. Dumplings tawag niyan. Ewan ko anong tawag niyan. Basta dumplings yan pagbili namin. Ang tawag. Dumplings ata. Ewan ko. Hindi yan tortellini. Nandito sila. Copyright tayo nito. Francine! I'll sa CPR here. You have music. Ella? Nagunsa ka? Nagunsa ka? Oh, hapit na awas. Luto na yan. So, ayun na guys.
Ha?
Nagunsa ka, cellphone?
Nag-music.
Oh. So, ayun na guys, kakain na kami. Always na lang, no? Pagkain na, sa-stop ko na ang film. Kasi, pagkainan na, wala nang nagsasalita. Tumatahimik lahat. So, ayun na. Guys, thank you all for watching, guys. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye and have a good night. Kain na kami.